Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase website performance with Cloudflare, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase your website performance with Cloudflare, start by signing up for a Cloudflare account at cloudflare.com. Enter your email address and create a password to initiate the setup. Once registered, log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Click on the Add a Site button to begin adding your website. Enter your website's URL in the provided field and click Add Site. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. After the scan is complete, review the DNS records to ensure they match your current configuration. Select a plan that suits your needs, starting with the free tier if you are just testing. Proceed to the next step and change your domain's name servers to the ones provided by Cloudflare. Log in to your domain registrar's control panel. Replace your existing name servers with the new Cloudflare name servers. Save the changes and allow some time for the DNS to propagate. Once your name servers are updated, return to the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on Analytics to monitor the performance and traffic metrics. Next, navigate to the Speed section in the dashboard. Enable Auto Minify for CSS, JavaScript, and HTML to reduce file sizes. Activate Rocket Loader to improve the loading time of your JavaScript. In the caching section, set the caching level to standard to enhance performance. Consider enabling Always Online to serve cached versions of your site during downtime. If your website uses SSL, navigate to the SSL/TLS settings. Select the appropriate SSL mode based on your existing arrangements. Visit the Firewall section to enhance security features that also improve loading speed. Use Web Application Firewall rules to filter traffic and reduce malicious requests. In the Network tab, enable HTTP/2 and TLS 1.3 for faster connections. Finally, monitor your website's performance regularly through the Analytics section. Make adjustments as needed and keep your settings optimized for the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.